Let's learn ABC with animals and birds.
A is for alligator slapping by the shore. B is for bluebird singing more and more. C is for cat purring in the sun. D is for duck waddling for fun. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for falcon flying far away. G is for giraffe reaching high. H is for horse galloping by. I is for iguana green and cool. J is for jaguar quick and cool. K is for kangaroo hopping all around. L is for lion with a mighty sound. N is for monkey swinging tree to tree. N is for newt crawling happily. O is for owl hooting in the night. P is for penguin waddling left and right. Q is for quail quick on its feet. R is for